Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the Salesforce Arc domain. So this is the Salesforce Arc domain and I want to change this domain. So let's start. So click on gear icon, then click on setup. After setup, search for my domain in quick find box. In company setting you can see the my domain option is available. Click on it and here you can see my domain details. Current my domain URL is this and my domain name is this. So I want to change my domain name. So for that I will click on this edit button and here is my domain. So I will add my domain name. Okay, I will check the availability. It's taken and cannot be used. Okay, it is also already taken. Okay, this is also already taken. Let's this. Okay, I will add this. Okay, yeah, it's available. Then click on save. Click on OK. Then click on save. Okay. Click on this deploy new domain button. Okay, now here you can see the domain gets changed. Previously it was this one, now it's gets changed. By using my domain you can change your Salesforce domain. Okay, here you can see now I am able to log in and you can see my domain is changed. So whenever I open anything, like I open the object manager, here also you can see the domain is changed. By using my domain option you can change the Salesforce or domain. Yeah, thanks for watching. Do let me know if you have any questions. Please add your questions in video comment box. I will definitely reply your questions. Thanks for watching.